Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to blur a moving car plate number in CapCut PC using a simple method. For that, you need a video like this, drag it and drop it into the timeline. Then, make a copy of the clip and place it above the timeline, right on top of the original. Now go to the Effects tab and search for blur. Once you find it, drag it onto the top clip. This will apply the blur only to that layer. Next, go to the mask section and choose a rectangle mask. Place the timeline at the first frame, then resize and position the mask so it fits exactly over the car's plate number. Now, click on the blue dot in front of the mask setting to start keyframing. Move forward a few frames, and if the plate moves, adjust the mask position to follow it. As you go further in the timeline, you might notice that the plate changes size or angle. No problem. Just resize or rotate the mask where needed. Repeat this process frame by frame or in short intervals until the end of the clip. And boom, you'll see that the plate is completely covered with the blur effect throughout the video. If this helped, don't forget to like, share or follow for more simple tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.